Hello, good morning. Hi, good morning. Yeah.
Passes.
Thank you.
Gate here is 24 and the lounge is gate number 23.
All
Both
right.
of you can access the lounge by choosing
Yeah.
one card. Your bag is linked
Yeah.
to the back check too.
All right,
Make
okay.
it on the back seat.
Sure, okay, perfect. Thank you so much. Thank you. Good morning. Hi everyone, welcome to another video. It is currently 6 a.m. and I've not slept all night, but today we are flying back to London from Hyderabad International Airport on the 787-8 Dreamliner. I've done this flight recently in Club World, so now I'm going to try the exact same route in World Travel Plus, and we'll see how it compares. So I've just checked in, got my boarding pass, cleared security, going through duty free, and on my way to the lounge. As a BA Gold member, I am entitled to use the lounge here. You. Thank you very much. Thank you. Do you do omelets? Yes.
Yes. Which omelette, sir? Cheese omelette, masala plain.
Cheese.
Cheese.
Cheese omelet, yes. Should I wait here or you'll?
You can have your seat, sir.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So the lounge does have a live omelette station, and I've gone for a cheese omelette. So we've just left the lounge. Boarding is going to start soon. Fortunately, the gate is right next to lounge, so it's a very short walk over.
Seat numbers. Hello.
Hi, morning.
Hi.
Hi, morning.
How are you doing?
I'm good. Oh, yes.
Remember we
yes.
were together. You
Yes, I
still
did.
want to.
Yes, one. Yes. Now I'm in 11 kilo. Sorry.
11 kilo. That's
Yes. All right. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. Right, so a quick overview of the seat. We've got a mini tray table over here, the actual tray table in here, IFE remote. This is the button for the recline, although it appears to be broken. Hopefully it's still functional. We've got a couple of universal power outlets, seatbelt pocket, couple of USB-A ports, and the IFE screen. We've also got a footrest, which I don't really find them that useful, to be honest.
welcome you all aboard our flight today to London Heathrow's Terminal 5. A very special welcome to those of you returning from our executive club and also to those of you joining us from any of our One World We invite you now to make yourself at home.
So about 45 minutes after departure, breakfast has been served, and I've gone for the full English option, which comes with the scrambled eggs, chicken sausage, hash brown, tomato and mushrooms, and I've also got some fruit, some sort of cake, and fruit yogurt. And I've also got a croissant which looks rather sad. There we go. World Travel Plus a main ticket. We've got a pair of socks, eye mask, a pen, lip balm, toothbrush, and toothpaste. And there's some. just arrived, and I've gone for the Sichuan noodles, which comes with some bread, which is soft, and cheesecake. I believe it's the caramel cheesecake. And we've also got some butter.
A very warm welcome to London Heathrow Terminal 5, the home of British Airways. Time here is 1:30 in the afternoon. Please remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign.
Ladies, London Heathrow Airport Terminal 5 కు స్వాగతం.